Mercer throws it down. Tony Cairoli crosses the line for his third race win of the season.
Now we're here for the daddy of all tracks in Lommel for the third of 4 consecutive race weekends. The deep sand at this iconic circuit is a true test of technique and bravery. And with Jeffrey Hurlings unlikely to be behind the gate, Tim Geiser would be the favourite in the MXGP class, having won 3 of the last 4 GPs in Belgium.
VL down at the bottom of your screen.
In MX2, the title battle is as close as ever, with Maxime Renault holding a 2-point lead over Mattia Guadagnini. Jago Hitz will be looking to make up lost ground on home sand, while Tom Vial is also playing catch-up after an up-and-down return to racing in Loket. Will Lommel serve up yet another classic? We're about to find out at the MXGP of Flanders, Belgium.